You can help your clients choosing the photos for an album very quickly by simply designing a Proofbook using Memento Pro. After setting up the project for your Proofbook, simply import photos and then go to the Editor tab. Right away, you'll be presented with a set of options for your Proofbook. Type in a name for the headers, choose the number of images per page, and show the file names to improve the communication between yourself and your clients. Then simply click on Build My Proofbook. If you want to modify the results, simply click on the light bulb icon at the top left, where you can modify the settings or even add a watermark to your images. Once again, click on Build My Proofbook to continue. Once you're satisfied with the layout, go to Styles and use your favorite preset to change the colors. When you're done, go to Finalize and send the Proofbook to your clients via either an online slideshow, a web album, by getting it printed, or go to Review and use our free built-in review app.